आइए अब अपने प्रोग्राम को की फहरिस्त को मैं आगे बढ़ाता हूं और मोहम्मद सलीम को दावत देता हूं कि वो आए और इंग्लिश में स्पीच पेश करें। मोहम्मद सलीम क्लास 7th आए और इंग्लिश में स्पीच पेश करें।
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Salim. I study in class 7th. Respected teachers, principal, chief guest, parents and all my dear students. I want to say something about education which is must to know by all of us. Education plays a great role in the life of everyone. All through the life, getting proper education is very necessary to get success and happy life. Just like food is necessary for healthy body, it is very important to live luxurious and better life. It develops personality of the people, provides physical and mental standard and transform people's living status. It promotes the feeling of physical, mental and social well-being by providing better life. Good education is construction in nature which construct our future forever. It helps a person to improve his or her status of mind, body and spirit. It provides us lot of confidence by giving us bulk of knowledge. In many fields, it is a single and vital way to the success as well as personal growth. Education is the fundamental rights of everyone and capable of bringing any desired change and upliftment in the human mind and society. Thank you.